Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here until you're looking for Airbnb app. Just click on it here, or you click here on search. Then here add Airbnb app, just click on it here, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on full stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. So you just click here on clear cache. It's going to show for you here front of clear data. So then you uh, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.